Okay, let's look at this problem from an SOAP exam from the past. All right, the probability that a visit to a primary care physician's office results in neither lab work nor referral to a specialist is 35%. Of those who come to the PCP's office, 30% are referred to specialists and 40% require lab work. There's a lot of words there that kind of feel like they're meant to confuse, so let's just sort it out. Often with a Venn diagram. So we are really considering only people, so this universal set right here are the people that go to the primary care office. And of those that go to the primary care office, they could get lab work or they could get referred to a specialist or neither. And so in fact, it says those that come to the office neither get lab work or referred to a specialist is 35%. So that's the stuff that's out here, which means the stuff in the, let's put it a little, the union of these two sets right here is going to be 65. So that total is going to be 65 if what's outside is 35. And that corresponds to the union of those. So the probability of getting lab work or being referred to a specialist, we see from our picture is 65%, or 0.65 if you want to work with decimals. So what else do we know? That's not enough information to figure out what we're actually asked to figure out. So we're asked to find the probability that a visit to the office, so in this universe, results in both lab work and referral to a specialist. So we're asked to find the probability of L intersect S. And what we know is, based on that first sentence, that the union is 65. What else do we know? We know that of those coming to the PCP's office, so in our universe, 30% are referred to a lab specialist, so that whole circle is 30, and 40 prescribed, referred to a specialist. So let's write out what we do know. So in general, the probability of L union S is the probability of L plus the probability of S minus the probability of L intersect S. So we know this is 65. We got that from our first sentence. And those other two sentences, 30% are referred to a specialist, so that one's 30, and 40% are referred to lab work. And that is equal to the sum of those minus the intersection, and that's enough to tell us what that intersection is. So that's 65 equals 70 minus this intersection. Clearly, our intersection is 5%. So our answer is A.